Hey everybody, welcome back to Tip of the Week. For this week's video, I want to show you how you can easily correct blown out sun areas in your photographs. When shooting into sunrises or sunsets, it's really easy to get a big blown out area where the sun's coming through the clouds. Well, if we take a look at this photo, I have quite a big area where that sun's nice and blown out in my shot. Well, I haven't even developed my tonality yet, so before I start fixing things, I'm just going to set my overall tonality for this photo. I'm going to do that inside my Develop tab, and inside my Tone and Color, whenever I'm shooting into a sunset or a sunrise and I have a dark foreground area here, I like to pull back on the contrast to bring in some of that darker detail. Now I'll just head down to my midtones, and I'll brighten up the midtones, and then I'll pull up on the shadows to bring in a little bit more of that exposure to those darker areas. And then I'll just head down to my blacks, and I'll add a little bit of true black, just for some contrast. Perfect. Now we need to deal with this sky area, because if we turn this preview off and on, there's a lot more detail in there that we can recover. So I'm just going to head over to my Local Adjustment tab. I'm going to use this Darken preset, and I'm going to grab my Local Adjustment Gradient. I'm going to use the preset Linear Bottom, and I'll just drop this down on the horizon line. And you'll see that I recovered all of that sky detail, but if I zoom into this sun here, it's still quite blown out. So let me zoom out and show you an easy way to fix that. So let's head into our Effects tab, and I'm going to add a filter, and I'm going to add a blur filter. Now I'll head into my blur filter, and inside the masking options, I'm just going to invert this mask. Now, with my masking brush, I'm just going to center it on this area that's blown out, and I'm just going to brush it on quite big. And now let's head over to our blur filter, and inside this gear icon here, we're going to access our blending modes. So let's head down to our mode, and we'll just go up to Screen. So now if I turn this blur filter off and on, you'll see it does an awesome job of cleaning up that blown out area and making it a lot less harsh. Now let's add a couple more filters to stylize. I'm just going to add a vignette. I'm going to use Big Softy, and then I'll add a filter, and we'll just add Sunshine. And if I hit the backslash key on my keyboard, we've easily corrected for that blown out area in our sky by using a blur filter.